In this video, I will show you how to fix your doorbell not connected to Wi-Fi. So make sure to watch the video until the very end. First, start by checking your Wi-Fi network issues. Ensure that your Wi-Fi is working and your doorbell is within the range. If other devices are having a trouble, the issue might be on your network. Next, restart your router and plug it on. Now wait about 30 seconds and then plug it back. Give it a minute to restart. Then try reconnecting your doorbell. Open the security app on your phone. Make sure you are using the latest version because update can fix bugs and connectivity issues in the app. Select Add Service to start the setup process again. Ensure your doorbell is pairing mode. Check the manual if you are unsure how to do this. After that, check your network settings and ensure your Wi-Fi is operating on a 2.4 GHz band. As some smart devices have trouble with 5 GHz network, simply adjust this in your router settings. If needed. Now if the problem persists, resetting your doorbell to factory setting, you can just press the reset button for a few seconds. After resetting, go through the setup process again in the app, and that's it, you are done.